Hey y'all, welcome back. So today in this video, I am going to be sharing with you some of my favorite products and prints that are going to be retiring at the end of August. So I'm pretty sure that you know by now we have our new fall winter catalog with 31 launching on September 1st. So that means all of our spring and summer products and prints are going to be retiring. Now, the products that I show you, I'm honestly not sure if they're going away completely or if they will just be coming back maybe at a later time in a later catalog. But I wanted to share with you those that are my favorite that will be gone at the end of August, meaning they're not in the next catalog, okay? So first things first, my name's Andrea Carver. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get a notification on your phone when I post a new video. So one of my absolute favorites that I have literally carried all summer, every single day, is the Window Shopper LTD. It is not in the next catalog. So we have it in several prints. This is the one in the off-white print. I absolutely adore this. I did the heart personalization and Love Like Jesus in the fawn thread color. I love the Window Shopper for so many reasons. Number one, it's like the perfect size. It's not too small, but it's not too big. So I love that it has the handles right here. I can actually grab it up, put it on my forearm like that, but it also has an adjustable strap here. So I can wear it. Yesterday, walking into Walmart, I was literally just carrying it on my shoulder like this. Sometimes I'll loosen it up and wear it as a crossbody. I just love how versatile this is. On the back, you can see that you've got our signature cell phone pocket right here, so you're never going to lose your phone. You do have that pocket on the front, and actually that's where I have my keys in there already, as you can see. On the inside, it is a lined bag. It's just so roomy. I just love it. And it has a built-in zipper pocket there. So this is the one in the off-white. This is the Window Shopper LTD in the off-white. You probably saw me take this out of the inside. This is the boutique crossbody. It's also going away, and I love this one so much. I love both of them. I use both of them all the time. I promise you, when I am out shopping and I know that I'm going to be having my purse on my shoulder or wearing a crossbody, I'll always take this one because it's so lightweight, but it actually holds a lot. So this is the boutique crossbody in the off-white print, and you can see that I did the lowercase letter on this one. This is the first time I've ever done that, and I love the look of that lowercase letter. And that is in the fawn thread color. It's got a pocket right here. Also, same strap. This strap has black in it, if you can tell. And I wear this as a crossbody, just like this. You could even wear it like across your chest like this too, if you wanted to. It does have that zipper closure on the top, and it really does hold quite a bit on the inside. So you do have built-in card slots there. I'll put my one of my little small wallets in here, my phone, I'll put my cards in little card slots. I'll have my keys, my chapstick, my little thing of flossers. I cannot go anywhere without my little flossers, and hand sanitizer, and so many things. I took it to, when we went to Key West for vacation, I had all of those things that I just named, plus my sunglasses in here. And so it held all of those things. So this is perfect for travel. I love it. So this is the boutique crossbody. Really sad it's going away. So speaking of travel, some of my favorite travel products are going away. So this is the Commuter Backpack. I think ever since this has came out, 2 years ago maybe, this has been my carry-on bag. This is the Commuter Backpack. My little girl has it, and she uses it every day for school. Sorry, it's a little flat because I had it folded up for my home party last weekend, but this, it comes in black. This is the Whisper Gray, and it also comes in like an Abbey Stone, which is like an olive color. And I did the inner circle personalization on this one in white and charcoal thread here. So the bottom is kind of has our vegan leather here, and the top is like a nylon or polyester. I don't know those words very well, but I like that this has a handle right here on the top so I can grab it up. But one thing I love about our this is that it has that wide, the wide backpack strap. So they're not small and they're not digging in my shoulder. They're wide and padded, so they fit so nice. This also has a trolley sleeve. That's why I love using this as my carry-on bag. And then this does have the two zippers. Oh, it has a zipper pocket right here on the bottom. The whole section is a zipper pocket, but it has two zippers here. So it opens up very, very nicely. If you guys can see that, I can see everything that's in there. And it has that padded laptop section in the back. So I can put my laptop and my planner in there, and then have my blanket and my snacks and all the things right here. I just love this. So that's the Commuter Backpack. Really kind of bummed about that. Then now this product is going to be in the next catalog. This is the Voyager Tote. This is the Voyager Tote. This is going to be in the next catalog, just not in this print. This is the Voyager Tote in the quilted black. I did that color block monogram in sand and black thread color. This Voyager Tote also has that wide strap, so it fits very nicely on our shoulder. That's not really what I was wanting to show you. I want to show you what the packing cubes. So the packing cubes are what is going away. So we have the small, medium, and large packing cubes. Oh, sorry. They fit very nicely inside the Voyager Tote. I just literally took them out without even showing you. So the all-in neutral print's going away, but the packing cubes are also going away. And several of these have already sold out. I think the medium and this print sold out last night, but you'll get this is the large, the medium, and the small. If you've never traveled with packing cubes, seriously a game changer. Especially if you are traveling with luggage, you can fit so much stuff in here, and it literally makes your suitcase so nice, so neat, and you can fit a lot in these things. Now, I remember, you guys remember I told you about that bundle and save on my website. So if you go to the sale tab and then go to bundle and save, the packing cubes are part of our bundle and save. And 31 kind of made a mistake on these, but they honored the price that they put in the catalog. But a regular price for all three of these together would be $81. But if you get them under the bundle and save tab, they're $40, like half price, y'all. So if you're getting the packing cubes, get the bundle. Now I think some of the prints have sold out, so you may not have a matching set, but I just kind of think about it like this. It's going inside your luggage. So, I mean, we want it to match, but it doesn't have to match. So definitely grab this bundle for sure on those packing cubes, because that is just a great deal, okay? The next is this is the quilted commuter tote. Ever since this one came out, I've been using it as my office tote or whatever. So if I'm working outside of the home, this is what I'll take. Now the black print has sold out, but we do still have it in the whisper gray and that Abbey stone, which is that olive color. But I love that this is so soft, y'all. This quilted part is so soft. And then you got our leather part up here on the top. You've got a little cinch right here. Sorry, it didn't cinch, but you do have a cinch right there where you can cinch up that pocket. You have got a pocket on the side, our signature cell phone pocket on the back, another pocket here on the side. And this does, the straps are like a leather color here as well. So I really, it's one of my favorites. I love it. Okay, but this does have a zipper closure on the top. Zipper closure on the top. I just don't have it zipped up, and I do have stuff in here because you can tell that I use my products. So this does have elastic pockets on the inside. You can see that there. A built-in zipper pocket in there, and then on the other side you have got a padded laptop section there, so very, very roomy. So love this quilted commuter tote. Next up, we'll kind of shift gears, and then we're going to shift gears again, but our roundabout cooler tote is not in the next catalog, so I definitely wanted to show y'all this one, and I'm probably missing some that are not in the next catalog. I just tried to pick a few of my favorites, but this is the roundabout cooler tote in that firecracker print. I love this print. So fun, so summery, so American. I did that American flag embroidery on here. This is a cooler, so this is a thermal. It's got handles right here where you can grab it up, but it also comes with a shoulder strap that is adjustable here. So you can loosen it up and carry it on your shoulder. We use this, I took this to the beach when we went for spring break. Used it every day, every single day. We put, it has the leak lock lining, so you can put ice directly in here. It's not gonna leak out. So we put our drinks, ice, our sandwiches, and then ice on top of that, and then our fruit and stuff on top of that, and it held the ice all day. So this, and it does have a little zipper, this little zipper pocket right there. So this is called the roundabout cooler tote. kind of shift gears to a little bit of home. So several of our home products are not going to be in this next catalog. I haven't been told, but I'm kind of thinking that our home products will be back in the new catalog that'll start in January, because it's like, you know, January is fresh start, get your house organized, all of those things. So I'm hoping that some of our home products will be in the next one. So the Your Way cubes are not in the next catalog. Your Way rectangles, the collapsible cubes and collapsible cubes and rectangles. Also, the office desk organizer. This is one of my top sellers, and this is one of my favorite things in my office. So you guys can see that it's got the little port right here, so you can put in your charging cord through here and use this as a charging station. So you can see this front section has 3 elastic pockets. I've got things in 2 of the 3, but you could use this, you know, just plug in your phone or plug in your charger right there and then use this as a charging station. And you do have room right here in this front section to store things. In the back section, you can see that I have a 3-ring binder in here. I even have Cindy Monroe's book in there. And this little middle section, it's Velcros to the side here, so you can move it forward or move it back however you'd like to use it. This is a great gift, a great teacher gift. I'll embroider, we have it in charcoal, and this is that fawn patchwork. I'll put an apple on here and then put the teacher's name, or also like we here are the Gilmer Bobcats, so I'll put the paw print on here too sometimes, and in our color purple, and then I'll put the teacher's name below that. So this is a great teacher gift. That's called the office desk organizer. And also the last one, or last kind of home one, is this is the utility storage bin, and I honestly don't feel like this got enough attention this season. I've got stuffing in here, so that's why it looks like it's brown paper in there, so it stands out, kind of opens it up. But this is called the utility storage tote. Y'all, you can fit so much in here and slide it under a bed, slide it in a closet. If you need extra space, maybe in a dorm room, or you're in an apartment and you don't have a lot of space, this can hold a lot and save you so much space. So you got a zipper right here. It's actually unzipped already. So this whole front section right here is a zipper pocket, and then it's clear here on the top, so you can see what's in here. It unzips from this corner all the way over to this corner. So it just opens up, and you can put so many things: blankets, sweaters, all the things. And I put on mine out of sight, out of mind. That's pretty much how I live these days. If it is not in my sight, or if I didn't make myself a note, I'll forget about it. And then one of the last ones that I had to show you that as far as products that are going away are our mesh pouches. So our mesh pouches are going away. We use these all summer long. I'm not even joking. We put seashells in here, beach toys, pool toys, and these little things. They both have carabiner clips. They both cinch up. So those are some of my favorite products that are going away. And I just want to show you really, really quick some of the prints that are going away. So we're ending summer, so all of the summer prints are going to be gone. They're not going to be in this fall catalog. So I wanted to show you some of my favorites. So you probably just saw, you did. This is the neon pink color. I love it. So the neon pink, the neon blue are going away. This is that mesh large utility tote. Now the mesh large utility tote is going to be in the next catalog, but it's only going to be in black and navy. Okay. So currently right now, I think this is in black and navy, and then the hot pink, and then the hot blue or whatever. But this is that mesh large utility tote in that neon pink. Oh, some of these are just absolutely gorgeous. The watermelon print, it's going away. Life is sweet. And this is the sun washed stripe print. Absolutely gorgeous for the summertime. Also the camp nights print is going away. This is my zip top organizing utility tote, and it says we sleep around. I love it. Oh, I did this in the butter thread color, and I did that in the modern font. Speaking of the modern font is going away. And I love the modern font because it's thick, and it really does show up very nicely on busy prints. But the Camp Nights print is going away. The all-in neutral print is going away. So here it is. We have lots of things in this catalog. I love this. I love it. We have a lot of things in this catalog in this all-in neutral print, and it's going away. You can see that I did the block letter. This is the A in the caramel thread color because I wanted it to match the caramel straps there. So the all zipped up crossbody in this print, everything in this print is going away. If you were ordering this print in anything, charcoal thread color looks good on here. Black, I suggest black, charcoal or caramel thread colors on that. And then this is the warm sand print. This is that tapered pouch in the warm sand. It's going away. I did the nautical personalization in the sand thread color, tone on tone, sand print, sand thread color. So that, and then the last one is this, not the last one. I'm not showing you everything because I'll be here forever, but I'm just showing you some of my favorites. This is the summer ripple print, y'all. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love this print so much. It's going away. So this is the bacon tape party color. It's going to be in the next catalog, and it's just showing in charcoal in the next catalog. We actually have several prints. The barbecue grill print. Gosh, there's so many prints that are going away. Let's see, black texture, gray texture, pastel, roped in. Oh shoot, I didn't, that roped in, that nautical look, that's a really good one. The purple is going away. So lots that are going away. So I'll try to link the products that I showed in below in this video, so you guys can just click and it'll take you to my website and show you that product. But you'll definitely want to get your orders in by the end of August because these will be going away. Now it is while supplies last. So once something sells out, it's gone, like those packing cubes, that medium packing cube and the all-in neutral. And I think the medium and the black is gone too in those packing cubes. So it's just while supplies last. So I do suggest shopping a little bit early instead of late, but I'll also link below my mystery hostess link. So when you order on that link, your name goes into the drawing for the hostess reward. So thank y'all so much for watching. If you're watching today and you're interested in what I'm doing, making extra money, showing you some of my favorite products, I'd love to chat with you about the business opportunity and see if it's going to be a fit for you. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. Or if there's so many things on your wish list that you know that you have to get in the month of August, let me create you a shopping link. You can shop on your own link and earn rewards, hostess rewards on your own order. And one good thing that we could do is let me create your shopping link in August. You shop on your own link. We can carry your link over to September. So you can shop in September on your same link and then redeem your hostess rewards in September. And so you'll get all new, brand new products and brand new prints and things like that, brand new hostess exclusive. So consider that. You start earning hostess rewards at the $200 level. So if your order is over $200, definitely let me create that shopping link. And even if it's not, if you want to spend $100 in August and $100 in September, that gets you to $200 and you'll earn rewards that way. Always, gosh, I forget to say this at the beginning of every video. Y'all remember about our customer special, our 50/50 special. Spend 50, get a 50% off item. So when you spend 50, the next item that you add to your cart is going to discount at half price. It can be our most expensive item in the catalog and you'll get it for half price. So you can build those bundles and build those solution sets and get a half price item while you're at it. So I know I just threw a lot of information at you, but I'd love to know what you just have to snag by the end of August. So let me know in the comments. Can't wait to see what you have your eyes on. So again, thank you so much. I hope that y'all have a great day. Bye.